We are here today at the Fort Ancient Indian Mounds, built about 2,000 years ago by the Hopewell Indians. I'm here with Necro Phantom and his girlfriend Patricia, and we're going to walk around the park a little bit. But first, there's a ghost in the car. I don't know. You can't park here.
Over there. Is that red? Is that red? Is that red?
Check this out. You can drive right through the fort, right through one of the openings. Right here. See the mounds on both sides? That is really neat. Now there is a regular mound over there straight ahead, and there's another one to the right.